In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply a vintage film effect to your video in Premiere. Let's get going. So as you can see, I have two layers here. And if I turn off my bottom layer, I'll see only my top layer. This is the vintage film effect MP4 file. And I have that layered on top of my background, which looks like this. And together I get that effect. So where did I get this vintage film video from? Well, there is a free website called Cute Stock Footage, and this website allows you to use their footage royalty-free on commercial or non-commercial projects. So they've got a lot of good stuff. And if you are on their homepage and you want to find those vintage effects, go up to stock video footage, scroll down, you'll see a lot of cool options here. And I went to old film looks. So if you hit that, you'll see a bunch of options. And I found that on the third page, there was a vintage film look that I liked a lot, and that's this one here. So I just downloaded it. You'll get a prompt that asks you to link to their site if you use their stuff. I think this is optional, but it's always a nice thing to do. So I downloaded the MP4. It's in my downloads. I'm going to bring it over to my file here, and now I've got it into my project file, and it's this one here. So all I need to do, and I'm going to start from scratch, so I'm deleting the old, is drag and drop my vintage overlay on top here. I'm turning back on my eye. And as you can see, you can't see through it just yet. I'm going to trim the excess off of the end on the far right. And now I need to see through that overlay into my background as well. So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to select the vintage film layer. And I'm going to go up to Effect Controls. And then within its Effect Controls, there's an opacity section. And within that section, there's a blend mode. We need to change the blend mode to multiply. And just like that, it looks as I wanted, like a vintage film effect should. Very cool. You'll notice if you try something else like screen, it doesn't quite work. So with this black and white overlay, the best option is definitely multiply. So that is it. That's as easy as it gets. It's very cool. Like I said, I really like Cute Stock Footage for this just because it's free and they've got some nice stuff. But if you are a subscriber to Motion Array or Envato, they also have cool old film overlays to try to use. So really, the potential is endless for what you can do here, and there's so many cool effects to add, and it takes no time at all. So if you found this useful, give me a like, check out my playlist in Premiere for more, and thank you guys so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.